there, and welcome back to our series on digital skills in high demand. You can learn today and become more successful. My name is Joy.
And I am Bessie. Today we're exploring a skill that is in high demand in today's digital world, website design and development.
That's right. We will cover what website design and development is all about, why it's so lucrative, how you can learn it at Bismarck Technologies, and how it opens lucrative job opportunities both locally and internationally. Exactly. Designers focus on the look and feel, while developers handle the coding and technical parts to bring the website design to life, ensuring websites are fast, secure, and user-friendly.
Now, why is website design and development important in 2025? Yes, in today's digital era, every business around the world needs a website, and with more companies realizing this, website design and development skill is in huge demand.
And it's not just about businesses. With the rise of e-commerce, blogs, and online portfolios, anyone wanting to have a digital presence needs a website, which makes the skill highly valuable. Now let's talk about how you can learn website design and development at Bismarck Technologies. At Bismarck Technologies, our program covers both the designs and the development. You will learn front-end website design and development, back-end coding, and how to make websites responsive on any device.
We believe in a hands-on approach. You work on real-life projects, from creating layouts and adding interactive elements to setting up databases and deploying your website.
By the time you finish, you will have a portfolio of completed websites to showcase your skills to employers or potential clients.
Here are some career and job opportunities in website design and development. With website design and development skills, you can either be a front-end developer, a back-end developer, a web designer, or even a full-stack web developer. Yes.
And these roles are not only versatile but also high-paying. Many web developers work remotely for organizations and companies around the world, giving them flexibility and also an excellent pay. Opportunities in Nigeria and abroad. There's a strong demand for web developers both here in Nigeria and abroad, with many startups and businesses needing professional websites. And globally, the demand is just very high.
If you're looking to work for companies abroad, web development and design skills are just perfect for remote jobs. You could be building websites for clients in Europe, Asia, the US, right here in Nigeria. Now, why should someone learn website design and development? Learning web design and development gives you the freedom to work in almost any industry. Whether it's tech, e-commerce, education, or finance, this skill is incredibly versatile.
And with Bismarck Technologies, you get job-ready skills. Our training combines designs, coding, and real-life projects that will help you to make a mark in this field. So if you're ready to dive into the field of website design and development, head over to Bismarck Technologies and check out our courses. You will get practical hands-on training on website design and development that will help you to be successful in this field.
Thanks for tuning in to today's episode. Remember, every skill we discuss in this series is a key to unlocking new potential in 2025 and beyond. See you in the next episode.
Bye.